So today in this video, we're going to be using the moving average crossover strategy. So what this strategy means is when you see this green line cross over this purple line, you'll be selling. And when you see this green line cross over this purple line upwards, you'll be buying. So it's a very simple strategy. To do this, the green line right here is a 9. And the purple line right here is a 20. And the other line right here is just this is the general momentums. So this is the 100. Right here, we have 15-second interval trades, and we're on 5-second candles. Let's see if we can make some successive trades. So let's go to Microsoft. See what's happening here. See if we can sell. There's some upwards momentum, so we're not sure yet, but let's see if it goes down. Okay, here we go. There we go. First profit of the day. That's great. Let's see if this crosses over again. Actually, we can make 2 profits here. It looks like there's going to be a crossover really soon. Going to sell right here. Okay, so there we go. There's actually a bounce back right here. So this likely won't be a successful trade, or might be. This crossover strategy is a little bit volatile. It has about a 50. Okay, so here we didn't profit much. The crossover strategy has about a 55% success rate, sometimes 60%, depends on the trader, right? So there are definitely things you have to consider. I might be selling here again and seeing how this profits. All right, so the reason behind this was because I saw this resistance level right here, okay? So I saw this resistance level right here at this peak right here, and I had this peak right here. So this peak right here, this peak right here are around the same level. So it was very simple trade to do. So here we can even do it again once it reaches this level, potentially. It might just cross over to another level, actually. So as you can see, here we're actually profiting off sells from upward momentum overall, right? This crossover strategy is absolutely amazing. I do highly recommend it, especially on Pocket Option. Pocket Option is amazing broker. Let's go to Netflix right here. Nothing really big happening there. Go to McDonald's. Crossover just happened. Might be selling soon once it goes up. It would be an optimal time if I entered right around here when I saw the crossover. Now it's a little bit too late, potentially. I could try selling, just see where the move takes me. I likely won't succeed because it kind of already did its thing, right? So we're going to see if it goes down a little bit more. All right, so there, it was an unsuccessful trade, but that's okay. I was just a little bit too late into the trade. If I entered a little bit earlier, then that would be optimal, but that's okay. It's just how trades work. Okay, so here's a crossover right here. Okay, so I might enter when it goes down a little bit first. Perfect. And I buy right there. Okay. So there's another profit right here. We're going to see if we can surpass 44,000, potentially 45,000 in this trading session. If not, that's totally fine, because we're in the green, right? So we can trade with house money. As we can see, there's a huge bull run right here. So we're going to see if we can profit off a sell. So once it goes up a little bit. Perfect. Okay, it's absolutely perfect. So here was another big win. So we're just going to end it off with this trade right here. So as we can see here, we profited tremendously with this with this crossover strategy. I do highly recommend it, and Pocket Option is an amazing broker. If you like this kind of videos, these kind of live trading videos, I do highly recommend like and follow, and you visit BeCoin.net for more educational resources like this.